at this stomach. Oh, he's definitely spawning bass here. Look at this full stomach. Shame. Let's get him back in there. Immediately get him back to his nest, or her nest then for that matter. Look at the stomach, full of baby bass. Beautiful, beautiful baby bass. Okay guys, I've been in the water near now for nearly probably 2.5 hours already. I caught only that one there in the beginning, nice pregnant mama with a big stomach, and after that I haven't even had a single strike. So what was it, last week or 2 weeks ago? No, last week I caught 11 during the last 2 hours just before dark. I actually kept them in a bag and then I released them later, like 11 fish in one bag, and still survived. So yeah, bass is really quite a rugged, strong type of fish. So definitely the fishing is picking up here for sure. Okay, so yeah, kind of embarrassed to tell you what happened now, because I'm sure it's happened to a lot of you guys. So it's my turn today. When I pulled one of my rods out of the milk crate, I accidentally pulled one of my other rods into the water, and it's not a cheap rod, so I have to go and fish it out. So this is my effort to see if I can get it retrieved. So I really hope this is going to be a successful exercise, otherwise I've got a lot of talking to do to myself. I must be successful. I just have to. Oh. There are so many fish concentrated here, but for some reason, probably spawning, busy with other stuff, they are just not interested in taking this. Every time I throw the lure in there, they just like react big time. Let me just get closer, you can see. And that's just one or two together, they're quite a few together. Come on. That's it. Nice little fish, probably 600 grams. So that settles that argument. Should I catch with the soft baits or should I catch with the jerk bait? And the answer is absolutely clear. Jerk bait wins, hands down. So yeah, for everybody out there that want to know what should they use here at Stanford Lake, a white jerkbait, that's your answer. Oh yes, I just caught it on time. The lure is out of its mouth already. I would have been so unhappy if I lost this one. Wow, look at this nice fish. 0. $109, almost 1.1 kilos. Lovely, lovely. got you. All you need is a little bit of patience. That's it. Another lovely fish. Oh. Monster. Come on. Oh yes! There's a better fish. Look at this, mama. Yes, people, again. Look at this. My lure is loose again. Wow, this is a nice one. What a nice fish. Huh? Isn't this beautiful? $1.66. Whoa, what a beauty. The fishing is onward. The fishing is on. And as you could see, this was on a black fluke now. I had to try the fluke again here amongst the lilies, and look at that, it's beautiful. Okay, freedom. Okay, so what I can tell you is that it looks like the fish are very concentrated at this stage, maybe because there's spawning activity happening, so they're very concentrated in that one spot. Right there in the lilies on the western side, just in front of that double-story cabin. Oh yes! Wow, today's a good day. Come on, you! Today is such a good day. Look at this. Another beautiful fish. Another great fish. $1.17. Wow, lovely man, lovely, 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 lovely. The fishing is on here at Stanford Lake. What a beautiful fish. Huh? Man, it's going well. That's it. Another lovely fish. It's going well today. Where? Yes, like. Wow, that's the smallest fish of the day. Smallest little fish of the day. Sweetness. Oh my word, he's a groot vis. Oh wow, here's a big fish. Come on, please. Oh my hemel toch. Oh wow. Bliksem. Oh my word. Look at this thing. Oh my word. Oh my word. Another monster. Another beautiful fish here. This might be even bigger, my biggest one. Let's see. Barry! Come check this fish! Gee whiz. Look at this thing. $2.88. Check this. 2.8 kilos.
Where did you catch it? Just here?
Just here in the open water here.
On the fish from here. Or the next jetty. The next
Isn't this thing beautiful?
What did you use? Photo of me holding it?
Huh?
Take a photo of me holding it.
Okay.
Stunning man, mooi Henku. That is stunning.
Let me let it go. Yes, like that. It's a beautiful thing. Yeah, look at this.
Stunning.
Beautiful. Yes. Catch, baby. He's a little fish. Nice. That's it. Sorry for that. Belly swap, belly flop. Well guys, now it's Sunday morning. I've got an hour or two that I can just take a couple of casts here before I need to go. After yesterday's amazing day, I mean, it was, I hope the footage and the light of the last fish, the last big one was like 2.88 kilos that I caught here, is going to be okay, or that it turned out okay. Yeah, it was really one of the most exciting days yesterday. I mean, again, the last couple of hours was where all the action was, and interestingly, it was all on the western side of the dam. Here in front of the double-story cabin is where all the action was. I mean, I caught quite a few fish above 1 kilos. The second biggest was 165, and then the 2.88 kilo one was just like absolute a beast. I think it was pulling my rod right under the boat, so that was extremely exciting. That's it. That's it, people. Ah, lovely, man. Lovely, lovely. Just like the fish are actually quite warm. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Honestly, people, this is one of the nicest things you can do for yourself, is to book a weekend here at Stanford Lake Lodge. Honestly, it is. I just love this place.